Exploring the future 5 types of AI. You need to know. Welcome to our in-depth look at the amazing world of artificial intelligence. It's like stepping into a science fiction movie, but it's real and it's all around us. AI is everywhere, from the suggestions you get online to the voice helpers on our phones. Today, we'll learn about 5 different kinds of AI that are changing the world. We're talking about tools that are changing how we make things, how we do our jobs, and even how we think about being smart. So get ready because things are about to get interesting. Generative AI, the creators. You've probably heard of AI making art or writing poems, right? That's generative AI at work. It's like having a computer program that's also an artist. Imagine giving an AI a ton of information, like all of Van Gogh's paintings. Then, it could make something completely new, just like Van Gogh. This kind of AI can write stories, make pictures, write music, and even computer programs. It's being used to write news stories, make music, and even design new things. There are so many possibilities and we're just getting started. Some people are even using it to build video game levels and make special effects for movies. It's amazing, and it makes us wonder about what it really means to be creative. Is the AI actually being creative, or is it just copying what it's learned? That's a question we'll keep asking as this technology gets better. But one thing's for sure, generative AI is changing how creative things are made, and it's only going to get more powerful. Agentic AI, the doers. Agentic AI is all about taking action. These AI systems can make decisions and then do things on their own. Think about self-driving cars. They have to understand everything around them really quickly, make fast decisions, and then actually drive the car. That's agentic AI. But it's not just about driving. This kind of AI can organize your schedule, make travel plans, and even control the smart devices in your house. Imagine your AI helper knowing your schedule better than you do and making your day as productive as possible. And it's not just personal helpers. Agentic AI is used in factories, shipping, and even hospitals. We're talking robots working with people in factories, drones delivering packages perfectly, and even robot surgeons helping doctors with complicated operations. This type of AI will change entire industries and how we live and work. It's about automating jobs, making things more efficient, and letting people focus on more creative and important work. Okay, so far we've seen AI that can create and AI that can take action. Now let's talk about AI that can understand and process information like we do, using many senses. This is called multimodal AI. Older AI systems usually focused on one kind of information, like words or pictures. But multimodal AI can take in information from different places, like words, pictures, sounds, and even sensor data, and then put them together to get a better understanding. Think about how you understand the world. You don't just use one sense, you use sight, hearing, touch, all together. Multimodal AI is trying to do the same thing by understanding how different kinds of information relate to each other. For example, imagine an AI that can watch a video, listen to the sound, and read the captions all at once. It could then use all of that to understand the video much better than any AI before. This is really important for things like recognizing images, understanding language, and even medical diagnoses. Imagine an AI that can look at medical scans, patient files, and lab results to give better diagnoses and treatment plans. Or think about how much easier it would be to talk to AI assistants if they could understand not just our words, but also how we say things and our body language. Let's change the subject and talk about safety. In a world that's becoming more and more digital, online safety is super important, and that's where AI is becoming really helpful. Older security systems usually try to catch problems after they've already happened, like trying to catch a robber after they've broken in. But AI can learn to see unusual things in data that might mean someone is trying to attack, even if it's never happened before. It's like having a super alert security guard who can look at tons of information at once and find anything suspicious. This is important because online attacks are getting more clever all the time. Hackers are using AI too, so we need AI to help us defend ourselves. AI-powered security systems can find and stop threats immediately before they cause any problems. They can also help us understand past attacks to be better prepared for future ones. It's like having an immune system for your online life, always learning and changing to stay ahead of the bad guys. This is important for everyone, from regular people to businesses and governments. AI is becoming super important for keeping our information safe online. Now, with all this talk about how amazing AI is, it's important to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes a bigger part of our lives, we need to make sure it's used the right way. We need to think about things like bias, fairness, being open and honest, and taking responsibility. For example, if an AI system learns from information that's unfair, it might make unfair decisions. Imagine an AI hiring tool that's learned to prefer men for a certain job. It might accidentally discriminate against women, even if that wasn't what the programmers wanted. That's why ethical AI is so important. It's about making sure AI systems are built and used in a way that matches our values. This means being open about how AI works, making sure it's responsible for its choices, and making sure it's used fairly. It's a complicated and changing field, but it's really important. As AI changes our world, it's our job to make sure it's used for good. We need to talk openly and honestly about the ethical implications of AI and work together to create rules that promote responsible AI development and use. After all, AI has the potential to be an amazing force for good in the world, but only if we think about ethics every step of the way. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of different types of AI. We've learned a lot, from AI that can make art to AI that's keeping us safe online. But really, we're just getting started. AI is changing so fast, and there are so many possibilities. It's up to all of us to decide how this technology is made and used to make sure it helps everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos.